Welcome to number 25. I picked up this Honda Fit from a buddy of mine, and I've really been enjoying it. But with picking up new cars, I like to modify them. So one of the first things that I did here was I swapped out the orange headlights for new headlights from Honda from a black Fit. And as you can see, it completely changes the look of the car. Doing a quick walk around, I've never had a Fit before, so that was advantageous in addition to the great MPG. So taking a quick look here, the shape hasn't changed a lot since its initial inception in 2007. This platform, the GT3, came over through a mid-model time frame. Surprisingly, Honda brought it over for only 2 years before doing a complete redesign for the newer model in 2009. So this one, I ended up painting the grille black and the cowl. I cleaned up some of the scuffs on the lip here, and the windows were already tinted black, so I didn't have to do anything there. I did add this rear bumper applique just to give me a little extra safeguards when I put stuff in the trunk, and I added the chrome exhaust tip, still available from Honda. On the inside, I was lucky enough that the car already came with Apple CarPlay. But in addition to that, the Fit does not come with an armrest. The ones in Japan did. And expensive as it was, I was able to locate a GT3 armrest, almost brand new from Japan, and put it in. So in addition to that, I added a USB for the CarPlay head unit, but you can see in the back, there's tons of room back here. It's very efficient. Also, the Japanese armrest has a cup holder, which is very handy for the back since it eliminates a cup holder when you replace the center console. Other than that, this is a really great car. It has great MPG, upwards of 35 miles to the gallon. I just drove it down to LA and back, and it performed beautifully. Horsepower is a little bit on the low side, but the transmission feels phenomenal. All in all, it's a great car, and it's been a lot of fun driving it for the past few months. So again, here's some before and after shots of adding in the OEM exhaust tip. Completely changes the look of the car from the back, which is nice. And rounding out, the prior owner did also have the window sticker, which was a very nice addition to add to the collection. So if you have any questions about the Fit, 5-speed manual, 1.5 liter naturally aspirated engine, ton of room, ton of convenience. Yeah, great car all around. Looking forward to enjoying it for a few more miles.